Ừ.
Sau đây sẽ là một cái phần khá là khó đấy. Đấy là mình thì không định mình thì có thể chuẩn bị cái này nó cũng là một cái cơ hội để mình chuẩn bị cho các ờ, cơ hội để đi học. Thì đây là một danh sách các cái câu hỏi để phỏng vấn mà mình đã thu được từ một số những người bạn trước đây đã từng phỏng vấn. Câu hỏi số nó sẽ có khoảng 100 câu hỏi, và mỗi câu hỏi mình sẽ căn ra khoảng 3 phút để trả lời. Câu hỏi số 1, can you please introduce about yourself, tell me a little bit about the book that you have read. So what do you do in your free time? Do you like sport? Can you play any kind of sport? Yes, my name is Phan Đăng Hưng. Đây là câu trả lời. My name is Phan Đăng Hưng. I graduated from Hà Nội University of Science and Technology in 2012. After graduation, I work in the Institute of Information Technology, and in early 2014, I changed my workplace to Samsung Electric Vietnam Corporations, and in the student's time, one of my biggest hobby is that researching about data mining and text mining. And after graduation, according to computer science projects in the research institute, I continue to research in the field of speech processing. However, in my free time, I often read. I often take part in online course to improve my knowledge about text mining and data mining related research. And about my free times, in my free times, one of my favorite hobbies is that reading book about reading computer science books. In recent time, I often read books about sentiment analysis. It's named Opinion Mining and Sentiment Analysis by Professor Bing Liu from University of Illinois. And in other areas, not computer science, I'd like to read Jack London novels. I love to read The Gold from the World. And outside the Americas, in Europe, my favorite books is Romeo and Juliet of Shakespeare and Sherlock Holmes. I love the way personality. I love the way of logical thinking of Sherlock Holmes. And in my free times, when if I am not interested in reading book, I often go outside with my friends. We often talk about work, about personality story, and other things for relaxing. And yes, since my children's when I was a child, my parents encouraged me to play sports. They taught me that I have to play sport every time in my free times. And one of my favorite sport is ping pong. Yes, the reason is that ping pong make you to work make your hand cause your hand work, cause your legs work, and it is very healthy to play ping pong after a long time sitting in front of the computer. Câu hỏi số 2. Which course you took at the university interests you most, and which one do you not like most? Yes, it's changed. My the cost changed depending on my student years. In my high school, one of my favorite subject is physics. In my first or second year at the university, I like to taking part in. I like to learn physics and often get good marks at these subjects. But in the second year from fifth years, according to my my plans and some my plans, I changed my majors. I changed to apply for the Department of Computer Science in Hanoi University of Science and Technology with the major of software engineering. In the department in the computer science department at SUST, I like to take part in some programming course. The main reason is that the lecture of the course help the student a lot and inspire us a lot in continue our works in computer science. And along with the programming language course, I like to take part in some artificial intelligence and data mining related subjects. The main reason is that one of my hobby when I was a child is that I want to contribute robots that can talk easily, can talk normally with people. And I don't remember the film. I don't. I like to produce a robot like that. After one time I seen a film that had the character Robin Williams, and in the third year and fourth year, according to the inspirations of my lecture in university, I know that artificial intelligence and data mining will help science to contribute some smart system like a smart robot that can talk freely with people. So data mining and artificial intelligence subjects is my favorite course when I take part in the university. Câu hỏi số 3. How did you become interested in your fields? Yes, câu này thì mình sẽ nếu mà gặp câu này thì được chính là cái câu 2 mình nói hơi nhiều. Cái câu 3 thì mình sẽ gặp mình nói lại thôi. Là in my childhood, one of my favorite character in my childhood is the robot in American robots that played by famous actor Robin Williams. And since my childhood, I always want a computer or robot can talk freely with people like the robot I saw in the film. So that is the reason I applied for a computer science department in SUST. And in this department, according to the enthusiastic help of my lecturer, I was encouraged to take part in research about data mining and artificial intelligence. And in data mining, I pay much of my attention to sentiment analysis, according to the inspiration of my former supervisor and other some professors I met in international conference when I was at university. Câu hỏi số 4, nếu như là có một số những cái kinh nghiệm về research thì ok. Câu hỏi số 4 thì nếu như có một số kinh nghiệm về research thì cái project research nào mà tạo ra cái cảm hứng cho bạn nhất, và cái project nào mà bạn không có cảm hứng nhất. Actually, sentiment analysis is my recent, it's quite recent research for me. It's quite a fresh research for me that I had to make much more effort to research. And in the past, my previous research focused on data mining, including text mining when I was in university, and speech processing. In my Institute of Information Technology. In my opinion, there is no project that I don't like, because each project, although it was not my favorite area, but it's helped me a lot to promote my skill in research. And personality, my favorite research is about data mining. And in my university, I had time to take part in a computer science project named to contribute the ontology for storing Vietnamese history event. And the output of this project is that to produce a software that help user can ask by questions, by natural questions. In the other way, the product of this project is contributing smart questions answering system that's auto answering history questions by natural natural forms. I can give an example. What historical event appeared in Câu số 5. How are your project benefit in your fields? Can you evaluate your research impact in your field in Vietnam, and what did you do when you finished those projects? My previous project focused on semantic technology, and the purpose of the semantic technology is that provide a smart search engine that can answer natural questions. Like find the people who do something in the past. And it has many advantages. One of the advantages is that it can make make the user can search by natural form. I can give an example of that. You can see that here is the command. Here is one command I found in IMDb system. And according to the content of this command, we can see that the author of this comment talk about Sylvester Stallone. He is a very famous actor in the world, in Hollywood. Yes, the key role is that he plays inspiring boxer in Rocky 1982, and the purpose of sentiments of semantic web is that it can detect the actor according to some semantic information, like here. In here, the semantic information will play it in the form of as subject, verb, and object. In this command, the system can detect the SVO form in the second questions, like he played, like verb, an inspiring boxer in Rocky, and like object. And by this triple and by the second sentence, the search system can know that the man that the author of this command detected is a famous actor named Rocky named Sylvester Stallone. And here is the one advantage of my projects. And I think the auto detect semantic meanings is very important when we estimate the user status of many social networks like Facebook. For example, if according to my friend's Facebook status, I can know that what he often, what is her hobbies, what does her often do, what does she often do when she has free time, etc. And generally, is semantic web can can help the community to produce many smart questions answering system. And when I finish the project, I know I still pay attention to research about how does the international research project detected the SVO form of the comment of the natural language, and this curiosity about that bring me the passionate in sentiment analysis. This is one task this is one task of semantic related to semantic web research. In the other ways, we can it means that sentiment analysis brings the core of sentiment analysis of text content brings the core of semantic web research, and that's why I am here to have a chance to talk with you about my research in sentiment analysis and some of my future plans to improve my research. Câu số 6. How is your current job? Why do you want to further study degree in the US? Yes, after talk about my current job, I will take some minutes to talk about my previous job. After graduation from 2012 to 2014, I took part in the Institute of Information Technology, Vietnam Academy of Science and Technology. To the main purpose I applied for here to work as a researcher is that I want to continue a research project, the government research project I took part since I was a final year student. The research is about speech processing. And in early 2014, the project has ended. According to some future plan of me to promote my experience in both researching and working in strict environments, I changed my work to in Samsung Corporations, my task is that I will help the R&D Institute of Samsung to promote some research that help the Vietnamese community by some application run on Android system related to speech processing, including speech recognition and text-to-speech in Vietnamese, and some other speech other signal processing projects like audiology. The project has started and still not have many research, but I can say something about the idea of this project. The idea of this project is that it's helping people who can hear very well, who can hear very well can listen to other easily by a special application run on the Android cell phone. And I think I have to say thank you for both two of my workplace, including Research Institute and the Samsung Corporations. It is a place that helped me to earn myself, especially Samsung's. It is a place that have many young students like me, and they also passionate about produce smart computer science system to help the community. And however, I think to improve my research and my experience, I need to I need to work in environment with full passionate about researching like in USA University. That is why I am here to apply for a chance for further study in USA. And I think after graduations, I will be a good doctor that have full of experience in computer science to help the community when I come back to Vietnam. Yes, câu số 7 là you seem to, tức là bạn có vẻ trông rất là hiểu biết, nhưng mà tôi thấy được là bạn có một vài cái con D và con C. Bạn có thể cho biết giải thích về điều này? Thì câu này quá đơn giản. In my point of view, I think the best advantage of learning is my teacher also said that. My teacher also, all of my teachers since high school and university said that also. It is they taught me that the most important purpose of learning is not getting good mark, good score, but the best purpose of learning is that you have to achieve the knowledge and know how to apply it in what you're learning to the real applications. I think I have some D or C score in some projects. Is in my student time. I think the main reason is that I am at that time I have lack of experience. And sometimes sometimes I have to, according to my patience and the trend of my lecture, I need to read the whole book. I need to read I need to learn the whole big education course for quite a short time. So according to my lack of experience, sometimes I didn't get good marks because I learned very much of mixed education course. But the exam focus on the very in one area. and the question is the question contains the question contains some information that make you have a deeper research about it to answer the questions. In generally, in university, according to the purpose of gaining knowledge, I have to learn about quite a large education course. It contains many areas, but the exam contain question about one area, but it make you to answer this you have to make very deep research about one area, and I think that is the reasons why I get some best score at my university. Yes, yes, according to 2-year work in institutes and corporations, câu hỏi số 8 nhé, là cái trường nào mà bạn đã chọn được những cái trường tốt nhất và những cái giáo sư tốt nhất hay chưa? Làm cách nào để mà bạn chọn những cái trường đấy và tại sao? Thì câu này mình sẽ trả lời là one of my the biggest advantage when working in the university and when I researched in the university and worked in the institute is that I have a chance to learn course from many famous professors from online course like Coursera. And according to the paper that related to my research area, like speech processing, natural language processing, text mining, text mining, sentiment analysis. According by researching and finding paper related to this topic, I have a chance to find the most 5 university I feel that they research about this project. Like we can example that give an example of that with say alignment with speech processing. I found information about say alignment. This stands for signal analysis and information language model, and it is the name of the project developed by University of Cali. Of Santa Barbara. And with the NLP, I find a very enthusiastic laboratory in University of Cali. And with text mining and sentiment analysis, I find some laboratory and especially some professor and doctor I admire a lot about their profile in their research in data mining, like Uni of North Texas, and especially the Lehigh and that is why I applied for the I applied for this university for in the VAF scholarship. But there are a little bit of pity that I can't apply for some other professor that profiled in text mining and data mining, because their university is not listed in the VAF Alliance. I can see I can list two names. Name of them is Professor Kevin Chang in University of Illinois and Professor Bing Liu. He is a very profound professor in the field of opinion mining and sentiment analysis, and they work in the Illinois. They work in the Illinois University in America. And especially, I have a chance to meet Professor Chang and have a short talk with them. And after the talks, I have many more inspirations to continue my research in sentiment analysis. And in the talk with Professor Kevin Chang in his conference, I have a chance to ask and discuss with him more about his research about entity-centric. And I think that the entity-centric can be applied for sentiment analysis. And in his project, he applied the entity-centric for his search engine about his department search engines. Câu số 9 là nếu mà bạn có cái cơ hội và làm việc được học ở US thì bạn sẽ làm cái gì khi mà bạn quay trở lại Việt Nam? I think that is very nice questions. If I have a chance to, I think in computer science, the most important things to be a good researcher is that you have to pay much of your passionate about your research. And I think if I have to change change studying in America is a big challenge for me. But it also the most important change for me to do the work I want to do. That it is the more things I want to do after taking a scholarship is that I will inspire other students to improve their research, to make passionate about their research, to in computer science and other area, to make Vietnam to be a developed country with encourage science and according to that, I think the relationship and the collaboration between Vietnam and USA will promote better. And as I said before, I will do many things. I will do everything to inspire my future students and my future partners to be passionate about their research and inspire them my experience in working in a perfect environment in USA to help them promote our works. Câu số 10 là what you have prepared for the major or research field that you have chosen. In this I choose sentiment analysis and opinion mining to promote my research for further study. So to go to preparing about it, I have some work. I have some way for preparations. The first way is that because I work in an industry company like Samsung, so I only have time in free times and in weekend to contribute to promote my research in sentiment analysis. But according to the head of my partner at the university, he is also my former supervisor, and I have some experience when we when I promote my research in the limit condition of time. One of the first way is that taking online course. I am a member of the NLP course made by the NLP course deep learning made by Stanford University. The second way is that I by myself finding some paper. In this paper, I can know the previous, the current approach, and future trend of my my focusing research. In this case, sentiment analysis. And according to the paper, I can know I find information about some professor who is very profound in their research, and some laboratory that focus their research on my favorite areas. And I have I choose 5 university according to finding the related paper according to my research project. And along with the online course and the paper, the most important way to improve my research is that working and contributing paper and applications. Now I focus my research in 2 sub-major of this application of this research. It is 2 of very important problem in sentiment analysis. The first thing is that word representations in sentiment analysis. One of the basic steps is that we have to convert a word to a vector. Each vector will extract the meaning and the context to be input of machine learning classifications for sentiment analysis. And along with word representations, I also make research about other machine learning language, especially at the current time I have a chance to research about genetic algorithms. And I do this research with the help of the communication with international professor and the supervisor of Dr. Cao Tuấn Dũng from Hà Nội University of Science and Technology. He is also my former supervisor at university. cố gắng hôm nay trả lời khoảng 50 câu. Vâng. Câu số 11 là cái topic nào mà bạn chọn để focus vào cái graduate research bạn đồ án tốt nghiệp của bạn. Tại sao và cái lợi ích mà bạn contribution cho nó là gì? Thì my research focus about semantic web. The idea of purpose semantic web is that we can detect an object according to a special natural sentence or questions. For example, xong rồi nói về this actor, xong rồi SVO, vân vân, và sau rồi SVO rồi ra cái lợi thế. Bạn nhìn thế nào vào 5 năm hay là 10 năm sắp tới? I think the biggest sơn lại từ I think the biggest I think the biggest target of me I planned right after graduation is that right after graduation is that I want to improve my research and make my research to be applications to help the community, and to achieve that my plan is that work in profile environments. And I hope to work in a profile environment to improve my works to help the community. And there are two conditions of in my definition, a profile environments have two conditions, have two requirements. Firstly, is that it have modern infrastructure. And the second is that enthusiastic partner in my work. And I will improve, I will find the way to improve my research, both in the case I success in the VAF fellowship and taking the PhD course or not success. Câu 13, cái kỹ năng nào mà bạn nghĩ là bạn có thể học được khi mà trong thời gian mà bạn học tập ở USA? Yes, that is a very nice question. I think the most important things I learned from I can learn many things from when I study in the USA. Firstly, according to what we talked today about my techniques or my research, and I will focus on the first thing and the most important thing is that I can have many skills and experience, and I will inspire to my partners and my future student if I am a lecturer in after taking the PhD course, and I will according to and I think skill and experience is the most important things I get when I study in America. Second, but also very important thing is that it is not the life experience. In my free, I have lucky. One of my lucky is that I have a chance to work with many people who studied in America before, like some PhD or master student in USA, and along with skill and experience in researching, they teach me a lot about life experience, how the America live and how do they complete their works. And one of my partner who worked who studied in America said that he said that with the American people, it is the place for a change, and people have to work hard to take the chance. It means that in my life, in our life, we sometimes we feel very pessimistic about our drawback. So we have to overcome it, to take the chance, and make great effort to achieve the targets. Yes, câu số 14, do you have chance to experience leadership? If yes, tell me. And I think I yes, I have a chance to work as in my student time. I have a chance to work with volunteer groups that help the community and have in the volunteer group of our department in university have some tasks like help the help by society event like helping poor people, helping poor people, etc. And the second thing is that help the school, help my university to hold international conference, etc. and other activities. And I think, in my second year or third year, I often work as the leader of a volunteer group, and I think it make me, bring me a lot of experience in my future works. The first thing I learned is that to do everything, you have your group have to your group must have a good communication with all members. And the second thing is that you have a chance to learn about how to plan efficiently for the group, because the plan of the group, the plan of the group is very important. According to the plan of the group, every member can know clearly about what will they do and what advantage they get to make a good work in the volunteer group. There are two things: the communications and the experience in making plan. Câu số 15. If you can make a change in your faculty department, what would you do? Yeah, yes, this is a very nice question to me, and I will make this question in a point of a researcher in my previous institute and my current company. With the researcher institute, firstly, I can say that both of my previous workplace and my current workplace have advantage that it have many enthusiastic and good boss and partner. But in my research, research institute, both research institute and both of my research institute and my company have its own drawback to contribute a good research. The first, with the research institute, the research project often be and when the project ended, all of the related products had also all of the project related to the product didn't have the fund to continue. The first drawback is that no funds. And the second is that in some case, the researcher often focus mainly on theoretical, but not focus on real application. In my point of view, application is very important. And in my current company, and they have fun. And but they didn't have any experience to contribute a research project. But they have also have fun and have the enthusiastic, and with the purpose to promote my skill and have the company to contribute applications that have the community. I applied for this for the Samsung Corporation since 2014, and my task is that I can make a strategy about some research and development projects. MIT mà. And with the institute, if I have time, I will make a requirement that it's not even if the project, the research project and the applications still have fun to continue to have the community. And with the companies, I myself am working to improve the research area in my current company. 16. What should you do if you do not win the fellowships? Yes. When I was a child, when I was in my first year at university, when I was fail, I often fail in something. In some competitions, I often very desperate, and it takes a month to overcome it. But now I think it's very different. Even if I not win the fellowship, the biggest hobby of the biggest target of me after graduation still remain. That is improving my research, for help the community. So that's not win the fellowship, meaning that I will take another way to achieve my targets. Like at the current time, I still continue to work in the projects at the Samsung Corporations, and I will take the targets. I will achieve the target. I will try to learn experience to achieve the target when working in my current companies. But generally, I think when I have a chance to take for a scholarship is a very big opportunity to improving my skill to enhance my research. So the fellowship is still very important. 17. Do you have any questions for us? Yes, I think firstly I come to the VAF fellowship with very admirations. All of the VAF, including previous VAF applicant, including not nominee and nominee, they said that VAF is very good. It is very good organization that help students to promote their research. And I feel a little bit sad that to hear that in 2016 the VAF project will end. So my questions and my purpose is that I hope the VAF fellowship can find a way to reopen, to continue the purpose to enhance the collaboration between Vietnam and USA. And my question is that is there any way that I'm sorry. My question is that it is exactly is that when the VAF fellowship ended in 2016? It is true, and yes, and if this is true, I will be very sad about that. Why do you want to switch major to? Yes, one of my in my three, tức là cái câu số 18 thì là tại sao bạn lại muốn chuyển cái ngành nghề của bạn? Nếu mà bạn có một cái cơ hội khác thì bạn có chuyển theo cái cơ hội đấy hay không? Tại sao? I want to actually this is not switching majors. I have the switching areas of my sub area of my of computer science. I think my previous work focused on speech processing, semantic web, and data mining. And I think sentiment analysis is a submajor of semantic web and data mining. And I choose that major because of my passionate in researching about it. As I said before, since my student time, I have inspired the love of data mining across my former lecturer in university. I said in my statement of purpose. I remember his quote in the lessons. He had a question that the data is bigger and bigger, and how do we take advantage from it? So that is a very big question, and sentiment analysis is the one solution to overcome my questions raised by my previous lecturers. Tell me the most recent research in your field. Cái này thì mình sẽ nói về cái most recent in your fields. In my fields, the most recent research in my fields focus on word to vec. The purpose of word to vec is that is extract the similarity of word in a context, and by the purpose is representing the word by vectors that reflect the context of reflect the word in the context of article of a set of articles, and they according to the similarity, it will be the output of the to overcome the sentiment analysis approach. Yes, câu số 20 là câu số 20 thì bạn hãy nói đến những cái điểm mạnh và những điểm yếu của bạn. Yes, I think my strongest ability is strongest ability is that I am many people said that I am very I am a hardworking and careful student. I mean, if if I don't do the work well, I feel very embarrassing. Yes, and uh, however, I have some weaknesses. The best, the most, the bad these weaknesses is that sometimes I feel overly. I feel very. Sometimes when I fail, I feel very disappointed, and sometimes I was very angry. Câu số 21. Điều gì đã khiến bạn đam mê về cái lĩnh vực của bạn? As I said before, in my childhood, one of my favorite movie character is the robot played by Robin Williams, and in my childhood, I also have a dream that computer can help, can talk with people freely. For example, I can control them by the voice to make them open the